How to remove YouTube from your profile on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove YouTube from your profile on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok, and here you will find this one, profile. Click on it and then just click edit profile and scroll down. This one here in the bottom you will find YouTube, and if you want to remove it, all you need to do is just click on it, one click, and you will see this one, unlink YouTube, and click confirm. And as you see, YouTube have been removed from my profile, and uh, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.